Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Safari unable to open websites in iPhone. First go to settings, scroll down and find Safari, tap on Safari, scroll down and find clear history and website data, tap on clear history and website data, tap on close tabs, try opening Safari again. Now go to settings, scroll down and find screen time, scroll down and find content and privacy restrictions. If it's turned on, turn it off. Try opening Safari again. Go to settings, go back to home page of settings, scroll down and find general, scroll down and find transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, connect to a different Wi-Fi network or switch to cellular data. Try opening Safari again. That's it, thanks for watching, see you in next tutorial.